Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today, 17th of September 2020, Thursday. Today we will learn about capital letter, which is given in your junior English book, page number 11. As we have done full stop, question mark, sign of exclamation. So these are necessary, and these all together are called punctuation. Mean these are necessary while writing. These are the some rule of writing, that how to write, where we write capital letter, where we write full stop, where we will use a question mark. So these are the rule for writing. Where we use capital letter, कहाँ use करते हैं capital letter? Capital letter we use all the name of character in the story. Story के जो characters होते हैं उसमें उसका first letter क्या होता है? First letter capital होता है, right? And all the sentence, जब हम sentence लिखते हैं ना, जैसे I am a boy या when we I am a boy, yeah, they are walking. So they, T-H-E-Y, they, the first letter of they is T. T will be capital. First letter of a sentence, right? Capital. Now, the name of places, countries, town start with capital letter. The name of a places, you live in the different places. You all children live in, आप तमाम बच्चे डिफरेंट एरियाज में रहते हैं ना, उसके नाम है, कोई गुलशन में रहता है, कोई जौहर में रहता है, कोई मलीर में रहता है, शाह फैसल में रहते हैं. तो हर एक के एरिया के नाम डिफरेंट है, लेकिन जब वो नाम हम लिखते हैं तो फर्स्ट लेटर should be capital, just like Malir, M should be capital. Gulshan, G should be capital. Right? Countries, what is the name of our country? So the name of our country is Pakistan. So Pakistan जब आप लिखेंगे तो P should be capital. Country name है ना, right? With the capital. Then name of the days. जब हम days के name लिखते हैं, how many days in a week? 7 days, right? 7 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So ये days के name जो है first letter किससे आएगा? First letter should be capital. First letter of the day. And days of month, which we have already discussed, right? So they also start with capital letter, right? And I have written some sentences for you over here. These are the some few examples. Just like I have written, I sleep in the afternoon, right? So I, this is I, right? So I जिसका मतलब होता है मैं, I, right? So always we write capital. Even in the middle, if it comes in the middle of the sentence, अगर बीच में भी आ जाए sentence के, तो we write capital, not small. I separately. Okay, over here I and N, this I you will not write capital unless it is the first letter of a sentence. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस का अगर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट लेटर होगा तो कैपिटल लिखेंगे, लेकिन अगर मिडिल में कहीं आ रहा है तो हम इसको कैपिटल नहीं लिखेंगे. लेकिन आई, दिस आई, wherever it comes, in the beginning, in the middle, in the end, wherever it comes, we will write capital. The name of my country is Pakistan. As I told you, the country name always begins with capital letter. Pakistan, capital P, right? I live in Karachi. Name of a place. Where do you live? कराची में ही रहते हैं ना सारे बच्चे. तो K capital, Karachi. Cinderella, right? Name, character name of the story, or it is name also. It is proper noun, special name है, खास नाम है. प्रॉपर नाउन हमने जाना है कि किसी का नाम खास नाम हो, ऐसे एज ऑल बॉयज आर ऑल बॉयज. ठीक है, बॉयज जो कॉमन नेम है, सारे बॉयज को बॉयज कहते हैं, लेकिन यू हैव अ स्पेशल नेम. हसन हैज अ स्पेशल नेम, प्रॉपर नाउन. हसन, हसन नवीद हर बच्चे का नाम नहीं है, राइट? उस्मान यूसुफ ही है, हर बच्चे का नाम नहीं है, राइट? तो दिस इज प्रॉपर. आपका जो अपना नाम होता है या किसी का भी नाम होता है वो प्रॉपर नाउन होता है. तो एक प्रॉपर नाउन भी है और कैरेक्टर का नाम, राइट? Cinderella found the pumpkin in the garden. Today is Thursday. This is the first letter of a sentence and this is name of a day. Thursday. T is capital, right? Now we come to exercise again. Page number 11, Junior English. Yes. Now, as in book, you can also see there are sentences. Some sentences have been given. Number 1, Henry Chaplin lives in Hastings, right? Henry is her name, English name, and you know very well, जब नाम आता है तो उसका फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होना चाहिए? फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कैपिटल. तो H we will write capital, Henry. And Hastings is the name of a place, so we will write H capital, right? The National Gallery has some beautiful painting. National, कौन सी गैलरी है? नेशनल. इट इज अ नेम जहाँ पेंटिंग रखी जाती है. David and I are going to London for a day. David is a name, right? David, it is a name. D will be capital. And I, as I told you, wherever it come, it always write capital, right? Are going to London. London is the name of a place. L should be capital. For a day. We hope to go next Friday. ठीक है? VW capital. Next Friday. F, Friday is the name of a day. F should be capital. The highest mountain in Wales is Snowdon, right? First letter THE, the first letter should be capital, T should be capital. Highest mountain in Wales, Wales W capital. Name of a place is Snowdon. It is a name of a mountain. Mountain name should start with capital letter. S should be capital. Right? Next, Canterbury is in Kent. Canterbury. C capital and K is capital. A new shop has opened in Bond Street. First letter capital. A new shop has opened in Bond Street. It is a name of a street. B should be capital. My mother and I are going to Australia in July. My mother, M capital. My mother and I. Again, I should be capital. Are going to Australia, A capital. July, name of a month, J capital. Colin has a pet dog. Colin, C capital, pet dog. A dog, if it is the only animal, dog, cat, parrot, so it will not start with capital letter, but over here is a name of a dog. Colin has a pet dog named Pepper, right? So it is, P should be capital. It is the name of a pet dog. We paid a visit to Mr. and Mrs. Reeve, right? So W capital and Mr. M capital, Mrs. M capital, it is not full form. And Reeve, it is a name, R should be capital. Now, students, this is your home task. Use capital letter where necessary, right? Wherever necessary, you will do it in your notebook. Number 1, it is raining today. I have doctor's appointment on Monday. Pakistan is an agriculture. Pakistan is an agricultural country. Right? Next. Your home task is now you have the idea where we use capital letter. Now you can do yourself easily. Your home task is use capital letter where necessary. Sentences are: number 1, it is raining today. I have doctor appointment on Monday. Pakistan is an agricultural country. Her uncle drives a jeep. Have you ever been to Aladdin Park? No. You do it. How will you do it? First write down date, day, then topic, capital letter, Junior English page number 11. And then you will write first sentence. First sentence, for example, as you can see over here. I am giving you just example. You will use those sentences which I have given you for a home task. You will write I sleep in afternoon and then you will rewrite. दोबारा लिखेंगे ये sentence. कैसे? I sleep in afternoon, जहाँ पर capital letter आना है वहाँ पर capital letter use करेंगे. ठीक है? यहाँ पे तो capital letter already use हुआ है. आप एक दफा लिखेंगे क्योंकि उसमें capital letter use नहीं हुए हैं. और जहाँ capital letter use कर आप दोबारा लिखकर जहाँ capital letter है वहाँ capital letter use करें. Right? Okay, we finish our class, but before finishing description, I will means it is a kind of reinforcement you will enjoy. I'll share a song with you. It is about capital letter.
Capital letters are uppercase letters. They're the same with different names. When do you use a capital letter? Sing with me, let's learn it together. Look, listen, and let's learn. Repeat after me. Use a capital letter when you begin a sentence. Use a capital letter when you begin a sentence. Use a capital letter for names, places, and holidays. Use a capital letter for names, places, and holidays. And for days of the week and the months of the year. And for days of the week and the months of the year. Use a capital I when you write about yourself. Use a capital I when you write about yourself. When do you use a capital letter? Sing with me, let's learn it together. Look, listen, and let's learn. Repeat after me. Use a capital letter when you begin a sentence. Use a capital letter when you begin a sentence. Use a capital letter for names, places, and holidays. Use a capital letter for names, places, and holidays. And for days of the week and the months of the year. And for days of the week and the month of the year. Use a capital I when you write about yourself. Use a capital I when you write about yourself. Capital letters are uppercase letters, and they help you read and write even better. They're the first letter of important words like cities, countries, and people around the world. Titles of books, movies, TV shows, and titles of songs have capitals. So, when do you use a capital letter? Sing with me, let's learn it together. Capital letters help your reading and writing flow. Let's be friends.
Okay, so it is all about, it was all about today's class, and we finish our class over here. So thank you. Take care. Allah.